यस बेटे, कल आपको मैं फॉर्मूला जो है वो सारे के सारे बता चुका था। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.2। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट्स क्वेश्चंस। I told you yesterday that sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta, sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta and cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta। एक साइड में मैं यहां लिख रहा हूं इनको sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta, sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta, cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta। All these formulas which I explained you yesterday, dear students. Now, starting with question number first. We have first part cos 37 degree, cos 37 degree upon sin 53 degree. This is the given question. You have to solve it. How to solve it? Change one of them, either numerator or denominator. You can change denominator or numerator. Don't mind which you are going to change. Then we can write sin 90 minus 37 cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta। तो cos थीटा को हमने 90 माइनस थीटा कर दिया। दिस इज थीटा, ये थीटा है, तो इसको हमने sin 90 माइनस थीटा कर दिया। अपॉन में है sin 53 डिग्री। नाउ इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 37 फ्रॉम 90, देन it will become sin 53 degree upon sin 53 degree and it is equal to 1. That's all. This is the solution of this question. Now you can understand how to solve it. You can change either numerator or denominator. Both must not be changed. Now second part of this question. Cosec 32 degree upon sec 58 degree. Now we are changing denominator. Cosec 32 degree upon cosec 90 minus theta means 58. Sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta। तो sec theta को हमने cosec 90 minus theta लिख दिया, तो ये आ जाएगा cosec 32 डिग्री अपॉन cosec 32 degree. Both cancel to each other, then it will become 1. This is also solved now. Now it is the turn of part number 3. It will also solve like the same. Third part of question number first. tan degree upon cot 80 degree. We are now changing tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Then it will become cot 90 minus theta equal to tan degree upon cot 80 degree equal to cot 80 degree upon cot 80 degree. Both are the same. There was both of them cancelled and equal to 1. So dear students, you can change either numerator or denominator. Only you have to change one, not both of them at a time. You have to careful about that. Now last part of question number first, and this is cos 90 degree 19 degree upon sin 71 degree equal to sin 90 minus 19 upon sin 17 degree equal to sin 17 degree upon sin 17 degree equal to 1. Now it is the turn of question number 2, part number first. Question number 2, part number first. Cosec 25 degree minus cosec 25 degree minus sec 65 degree. Now only one we have to change, either cosec 25 degree or sec 65 degree. Cosec equal to sec 90 minus 25 degree minus sec 65 degree equal to sec 65 degree minus sec 65 degree equal to 0, because both of them cancel to each other. One is positive and other is negative. This is question number 2, part number first. Now it is the turn of part number second. It is similar or same as part number first. Now cot 34 degree minus tan 56 degree equal to cot 34 degree minus tan will be changed into cot. When we subtract from 90 degree, then it will become cot 90 degree minus 56 degree. Then this is equal to cot 34 degree minus cot 34 degree equal to 0 also. Both of the questions are similar, or their answer is the same. Now it is the turn of third part. We are taking third part. Question number 2, part number 3. Sin 36 upon cos 54. Sin 36 degree upon cos 54 degree minus sin 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. This is converse of this. Numerator is denominator and denominator is numerator. You have to change one in this and like the same only one in this, either numerator or denominator. Sin 36 degree cos 90 degree minus 36 degree. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, and cos 54 degree we have not to change it. Now cos 90 degree minus 54 degree upon cos 36 degree. Now on subtracting, this will become cos 54 degree and this is also cos 54 degree, and this will become cos 36 degree and it will also be cos 36 degree. Then 1 minus 1, because both of them cancel to each other, numerator by denominator, equal to 0. This is part number 3 of question number 2. Now it is the turn of part number 4. How to solve it? See it on blackboard. Sin theta cos 90 minus theta. Fourth part. Sin theta cos 90 degree minus theta minus plus cos theta sin 90 degree minus theta. You know cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, and sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. देखिए sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. It will become 1. That's all. It is also solved. Now it is the turn of question number 3. There are 2 parts of question number 3. We are beginning with first part. Question number 3, part number 1. Sin 70, sin 20. Sin 70 degree, sin 20 degree minus cos 20 degree, cos 70 degree, cos 20 degree, cos 70 degree. Now We have to change either both of these or both of these. Equal to cos 90 minus 70 and sin 20 equal to cos 90 degree minus 20 degree. We have applied formulas. Minus it is the same cos 20 degree, cos 70 degree. Now it is cos 20 degree, and when subtract 20 from 90, then it will become cos 70 degree minus cos 20 degree, cos 70 degree. One is positive, other is negative, both are cancelled, then it is equal to 0. This is the first part of question number 3. Now we are taking second part. Dear students, you have to apply in 7.2 all these formulas, and these are very easy. I have proved them as well as I explained you how to apply. Then now it is second part of question number 3. Two cos 67 degree upon sin 23 degree minus tan 40 degree upon cot 50 degree. Tan 40 degree upon tan cot 50 degree minus cos 60 degree. We have to change one, either numerator or denominator, like the same in this also, and it is without changing will be remain the same. 2 sin 90 minus 67 degree upon sin 23 minus cot 90 minus 40 degree upon cot 50 degree minus cos 60 degree equal to 2 sin 23 degree upon sin 23 degree minus cot 50 degree upon cot 50 degree minus value of cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. You know. Sin 23 degree cancelled by sin 23 degree, as well as this is also cancelled. 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 and half. Then remainder will be 1 by 2. This is the second part of question number 3, part number 2. Now it is the turn of question number 4. There are also 2 parts. We are going to solve question number 4, part number 1. Sin 35 degree upon cos 55 degree all square minus cos 55 degree upon sin 35 degree all square minus 2 cos 60 degree equal to, we have to change either numerator or denominator. Changing numerator, we have cos 90 degree minus 35 degree upon cos 55 degree all square minus sin 90 degree minus 55 degree upon sin 35 degree all square minus 2 into 1 by 2 equal to cos 55 degree upon cos 55 degree whole square minus sin 35 degree upon sin 35 degree whole square minus 2 cancelled by 2 equal to 1. It is equal to 1 square minus, it will be also 1 square minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. 1 cancelled by 1, remainder is minus 1. This is the solution. So now you have seen that all questions are solving by the help of these 6 formulas, and these are so easy that you can do them without any problem. Dear students, this is very easy for you. Then 7.1. Now it is the turn of part number 2 of our question. Sin 27 degree upon cos 63 degree whole square plus cos 63 degree upon sin 27 degree whole square. We are changing either numerator or denominator in both of them. Then cos 90 degree minus 27 degree upon cos 63 degree whole square plus sin 90 degree minus 63 degree upon sin 27 degree whole square. It is equal to cos 63 degree upon cos 63 degree whole square plus sin 27 degree when we subtract it, and upon sin 27 degree also whole square, then it will become 1 whole square, and it is also 1 whole square. It will become 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Clearly it is seen that every question is solving like the same process, and all these 6 formulas are applied in all questions, so you can solve them like the same. Dear students, you have to solve examples of all the exercises also, and you have to do your homework in fair notebook also. Today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.